there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be using two new stamp sets along with an older one, and this is a sympathy card that we're making today. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping, and I have a piece of Whisper White, and this measures 2.5 by 5.5, and I have my Tuxedo Black Memento ink. And the first stamp set we're using is Hold On to Hope, and we're going to use the cross. And I have this mounted on block E. Okay, so I want it in the top middle, just like that. And then this is a new celebration stamp set, and it's called Lasting Lily, and we're going to be using the sentiment for moments you can't put into words, and may the constant love of caring friends bring you comfort and peace. A dear friend of mine, her dad passed away, so I wanted to make her a card. And then I have this mounted on clear block C. Make sure it's okay, so next we're going to use the Crackle paint, and that is from the Occasions catalog, and we're going to be using Smoky Slate. Oops. And I have a piece of Smoky Slate, and we're just going to do tone on tone. I'm going to bring in a piece of grid paper, and then I'm going to ink the stamp up. All right, so just like that. All right, and my card base is basic black, and it's 8.5 by 5.5, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. So I'm just going to put this down with some snail. All right, and then I'm going to take other piece, put that down with some snail as well. So just like that. Then I have a piece of Whisper White, and I have the inside sentiment, and that's mounted on block H. I'm going to ink that up in the Memento block as well. So just like that. And then I have this striped metallic ribbon. And this is from the New Occasions catalog. And I'm just going to cut a piece here. And I just want to dress it up a little. Giving myself enough room to sign it. So just like that. And then I'm going to bring in my snail. And I will place that inside, just like that. So there you go, a quick and simple sympathy card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, they'll be available January 3rd. Bye!